The H-series industrial gearbox of Dongtai collector reducer is widely used in metallurgy, mining, building materials, chemical and other industries, and has become one of the core components of the industrial power transmission system. Features: H-series gearbox is made of high-quality alloy steel and precision machining technology, and the gears are hardened, with strong bearing capacity and excellent impact resistance, which is suitable for heavy-duty conditions. Optimize the gear meshing structure. The transmission efficiency is as high as 96%. Effectively reduce energy consumption and meet the needs of energy conservation and environmental protection. Standardized and serial design, which can flexibly adapt to different power and speed ratio requirements, and support multi-axis extension and customized configuration. Excellent sealing performance, dust-proof and oil-proof. The bearings and lubrication system are specially designed to extend service life and reduce maintenance frequency. It can be matched with a variety of power sources, such as motors and hydraulic motors, and is suitable for various heavy equipment, such as belt conveyors, mixers and hoists. If you need to choose or technical consultation, welcome to contact Dongtai's professional team to serve you.